Hi guys, this is Bett&win. Welcome back again to my channel. This is app that I told you guys earlier. If you can remember, the app that normally bring any option that you ask every day. All you need to do is to install this app, sign in. If you have data, you browse any option you want for that day on this app. You get it. This app is working perfectly. I get this winning through the app. I just search concerning voting to score, that is Google, and this is what I got today. This app is wonderful. Only thing you need is download the app. Once after downloading, installing it, sign in, have data, that's all. It doesn't consume much data. Then search any of your favorite option you want on normal soccer. This is not for Zoom. On normal soccer, you get it. But the app can explain to you what Zoom Soccer is all about, how Zoom Soccer works, but not that it will tell you what to how to pick this up, but it will not tell you only what Zoom Soccer is. It will only explain it for you, but not to tell you how to play this option or how to play this option. But it can break it down, but not that much deep. So, but for normal soccer, everything you need for normal soccer, this app is excellent. I got this winning through the app. So if you're ready for this app, chat me on WhatsApp on 070-3676-0527. Meche, Bett&win. Our WhatsApp number still remains 070-3676-0527. So this app does any option you want. Each day, once you have data, just open the app. You go to the search, type any option you want. Just once you need this app, chat me on WhatsApp. I will tell you after installing it, show you the name, show you the app, because you see many of it, but this particular one is the main one I'm using. You see different name that looks like it, but there's a particular one that does this signs and wonders. Honestly, if you need this app, chat me on WhatsApp. If you don't have this app, you are missing a lot. You are just suffering yourself on getting games every day. Why you have app that can get you option you want without any stress? All you need to do is to know the keywords to search with. I will show you the keyword that you search and get what you want on games every day. It works on basketball, tennis, and any game concerning football, basketball, tennis, baseball, any of this app is ready to show you everything you need. So once you are ready, I will teach you how to use the app, tell you the name, install it, sign in, you start using it. But don't forget, the app is not for free. The app is not for free. So once you chat me, I'll tell you everything you need concerning the app. Alright guys, this is Bett&win. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you on the next video.